Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin 2x, that is about 2 sin x cosine x. So I will put this one gone here. Next, I need to add about number 1. Later that we need to minus about number 1. Next, about number 1, that is about sin s squared plus cosine s squared. And we know that this is about identities. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have cosine x. This one we have negative sin x. But we see that this is about sin x minus cosine x. So I need to put the negative for the both sides. And this one we have sin x minus cosine x. So this one we change from by u. Sin x minus cosine x dx we change for negative du. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have secant of t squared minus number 1. This one we need to transform into tan t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and du. Du that is about secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here. And du that is about this one. So this one that is about tan t squared. The square root of this one we have tan t. And now we simplify, so we have negative secant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equals to our secant of u. So I will put this one to change for t. So this one we have u about u, that is about sinx, and this is the final answer. Sorry, sinx plus cosx. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.